Okay, we are back. I'm just checking the audio. I'm live. Let's see if you can hear me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? No. You can't hear me. Why can't you hear me? I don't understand at all. I'm just checking the audio. It's working! Alright, so the audio is working. What?
There is like a 5-second lag between.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Because I'm not going to be listening to myself, so it shouldn't. Alright, so we're going to continue with... I need these headphones on. Alright, we're going to continue with our backtesting. We're going to get right into it. Okay, so... what does this look like? Okay, it's fine. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and start with April. Oh, I did May in the wrong place. Let's just do it here. No, that actually needs to be here. Okay. Alright. So we're going to do April. Alright. Now. Hey, we are in a trade. It is going against me. I probably should have just got out of this trade. But I'm using a strategy. I buy engulfing candles and sell engulfing candles. If I get an engulfing candle against me during that trade, then I get out. That's the only way I get out. But this completely went down, completely came up. It's just consolidation. I should have just traded consolidation pattern. That's not what I chose to do for some reason. Now we're going to find ourselves all the way back up at my position entry. Alright. But I'm going to be stubborn and just follow my strategy. Okay, which is great. All right, let's go ahead and open up this chart here. Okay. Why is it so much space? It's too big. Okay. There we go. We have our April. I don't know what this other stuff is. Let's get rid of it. Okay. Just have April here. Okay. We're going to put in whether we win or lose. Continue our strategy. We're just buying or selling a 1 minute candle based upon its color. And then a 100 point win to loss ratio. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with it. Alright, so we're going to go to April 1st. That's a great day to trade. April 1st, I'm telling you. That's the day I want to trade. Yep. I'm going to go to 9:30, 9:31. This is frustrating. This trade is frustrating. All right. We have a red candle at 9:31, so we are going to place a trade there. in a short position. This has been profitable for May and June, but we want to just go back really far. We want to back test it many months, because just because it's profitable in 1 month does not mean it's going to be profitable other months. So we have a 100 point stop, 200 point profit taking. I just get close to 200. Okay, actually I got exactly 200. Okay. Now, I'm just going to see what happens. We just hold the trade. We don't move the stop loss. We don't take profit early. We don't do any of that. We just keep holding the trade until we have hit 100 loss or 200 profit. And we're so close, it'd be painful to go hit our stop now. I think that was actually profit taking. I think we hit our profits. We did. Let's just hit the candle a few times. Just to... Oh, okay. So we have to go in and see if this hits our profit or not. Now, maybe if you're a point away, take it. Man, it's testing me. It is absolutely testing me. It's showing green. The thing turned green whenever it hit it. So I don't know. Can't decide. Let's keep going. I think it probably hit it. It'd be sad if it didn't. It'd be a sad day for me. Yeah. We hit it anyways. Oh, yeah. Did we? Normally I don't have this much issue, but today it is just right on the edge of it. Let's just keep going. Yeah, we hit it. We hit it for sure. That's a profit. So we're going to put an O for a profit. It was testing that day, but we just keep holding. It wasn't that long. At 12:20, just holding it for a good portion of the day. April 4th. So all I'm doing is something very simple. Imagine this. You look at the first candle, the first 1 minute candle of the New York session. 9:31 it closes. You take that position. You take the position of that candle. You go short if it's red. You go long if it is green. Okay, I do not know where the chart happened to the chart. We'll probably have to reload this. April 4th. Okay. See what the... Yeah. I think that this trade that I'm in is just going to absolutely go against me. I don't think there's much other option than that. It did not save my settings. Oh great, we're in the, so I refresh trading sim because it stops working, and it goes back to default. It has the S&P 500 when I'm trading the DOW, and it changes the background to whites, which is just great. They're killing me. Killing me. Okay. And it's not even loading. Show, okay, it's the old chart engine. Change the color back to black. This is not looking good for you. Trading sim. Okay. We have that back on. And I can't load the chart that I want. Yeah, it's gonna load till I die. I think it's YM. There's YM. I don't need all this. I don't need any of that. Okay. And okay. I need to go to... Huh. It's broken. It's broken. Let's just see what happens here. This is one reason. This makes it so hard to backtest when things don't work the way they're supposed to. $9.31 is absolutely broken. Let's just skip that day. Okay, we're just gonna skip 4. I don't know. That's okay. It happens. We just want the general idea of what's gonna happen. If we miss one day, it's not gonna hurt anything. Alright, 9:30. 9:31 is a green candle. This is a scary day. 2 giant candles in opposite directions. What does that even mean? Alright. We're gonna go long. So we don't have to really deal with all that because we have our... Oh my goodness. Why is that big? Why do you make my thing so giant? So dumb. Okay. Alright, we're going to go ahead and go down to 100. And then we're going to go to 200 up here. See what happens. Oh, I know what the problem was. I'm not... do 1 minute per second. Okay. And we're just going to go up. Go ahead and grab my profit that day. We're just going to grab the profit just like that. Just like that. That is crazy. I cannot believe that. That was straightforward. Okay, now, next. 4-6. Maybe it was a holiday on April 4th. That's why it wasn't there. Okay, is it 31? No, 1 more minute. Okay, so we're going to go along on this one as well. Okay. Oh man, then you stop making my thing so big. Okay. Ooh. I'll just put this in like this. And go up to 200. This will be crazy. I got my doubts about this day. But The market do what the market do. Consolidation all day. And see, that's why we do this. We don't get stuck in consolidation. Kind of a double bottom. I'm kind of playing with their stop loss there a little bit. And I need to do this faster. 5 minutes per minute. I might just consolidate the whole day. I don't know what's gonna happen. Man, I haven't hardly seen a day like this one. This day is wow. Oh, we're back. We're at my position in the actual trade that I'm in. We are back to my position, and now we're in the negative. Oh, that was kind of a double top. This is only the second time this has happened. I'm gonna hit it on 5. We're just gonna jump. Let's just jump. Let's jump to the end of the day. There we go. Let's jump to the end of the day. Oh, we hit it. Wait, we hit my stop loss first. Oh, the joys. It went down, hit our stop loss, and then it went up and hit our profit. So that's a loss. Okay. Next day. Okay, 9:30. Okay, 9:31. It's green. We're gonna go long. It looks like a downtrend to me. All right, yeah, it's consolidating there. 100 to 200. Okay, now we're just gonna go ahead and, oh, we're just gonna go straight for my stop loss. Nope, I did not quite get the stop loss. Yep, it's a loss. Right, next day. Alright. Okay, it's a green candle. Wait, this looks like the same day. Do we not trade days? This is the same. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. Huh. 2, 3. Weird. This looks like the same day. No, no, no. How do I exit out of this? Okay. Alright. And it looks like the same day. Looks like the same day. I might have messed up. Hopefully not, because that'll mess up my results a little bit. 200. Okay, so 100 to 200. Okay. And it's a loss. Same thing happened 2 days in a row. It was almost a repeat. Alright. Okay. Whoa. What in the world? Okay. That's a green candle. So we're going to go along. Whoa, we got huge movements. So who knows what's going to happen on this one. Okay. Make sure you guys can still see this. Didn't quite get the stop loss, I don't think. No, not quite. Not really going in our favor though. Yeah, okay, that's a nice. It's a loss. Okay, so now we're break even in April so far. Okay, it's a red candle. I'll take a short position. This is the opening candle. Hello. 100. 200. X is a loss. Okay. Alright, next day. It's not really good for April so far. I wish it would start at the open. Killing me. Should make it editable. Where you can edit what time it starts at. Okay, it's a red candle, so we're going to go short. Though, what about this? Okay. That's not a good candle. Immediately stopped out. 3 minutes. Stopped out. That's 6 losses in a row. I don't know about this strategy. Alright. Oh man. Big green candle. We're $250 in the negative on this trade. Oh no. Can never hit 931. That's too big. Alright, we'll see. Okay, we're gonna go long. 100 and 200. Almost hit our profit. We're gonna hit our loss. 7 losses in a row. Alright. 18th. Alright. Whoa, big candle. Big candle. Big green candle. Took the whole screen up. Alright. 200. Alright. Same is going to be a repeat of the day before. Yep. It's a repeat. It's not a good repeat for us. We didn't quite hit the low that we had before. So the problem is with this one, we did predict the correct direction, but it just didn't quite make it to our profit. We're going to go ahead and hit our stop loss. That's 8 in a row. That's probably too many. It's probably too many in a row. So this was profitable for May. It was profitable for June. I don't know how it's going to have to make a comeback here. And that's a big green candle. It's going to do the same thing. It's just once it's made this big of a move, it's hard for you to see another 200 points. You might see a more, but no. Okay. And we hit our profit. Okay. We're going to see now. All right. Now. 20th. Yeah, we gotta see. That's not good. Alright, we're gonna go long. It's green. On some platforms, that might not even be a green candle. It's so close to not being green. 100. That's a big move too. Okay. 100. Alright, on our trade, we are $100, 10 points out of profit. Alright, we've made it all the way back up. Oh, that kind of went ahead and just went. Oof. Yeah, that's not good. It's probably a double top. Yeah. Okay, we could be going at this in a while. Let's just drag it over. Okay, drag it over further. Still haven't made it. Let's just go all the way to 4. Oh, we hit our profit. Yep. Okay, that's a no. Next day. Oh my goodness, another huge green candle. Alright, April. Okay. 100 points. And 200 points. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Double top. Kinda. We're just consolidating. Let's just drag it over. See what happens. Oh yeah. No good. No good. X. Alright. Did we do this day? I can't remember. No. No, because it's a new day. Okay. 9:31. Can't hit 1. Skips over 1. See? I want 1. You might not be able to see that. There's no way to get 1. You're killing me. Okay, we're short position. One reason why we take the 1 minute is because it's like the first impulse of the market. So whatever the 1 minute candle does. And that, the theory is that that tells you which direction you are going. Not financial advice. Look at all that noise we just missed. And we just take a profit. Okay, now. 25. Okay, we're in profit once again on this trade. Alright. For now. Too short position. Okay, so I am in a real position on the DOW on a prop account on $100,000 accounts, trying to make $8,000. All right, and I can show you guys that in a second. Let's go and record this one as a win. Okay, and then let's just look at that real quick. So this is where we're at right now. I got in there, here actually, on this engulfing candle. Came all the way down and did not get an engulfing candle up. If this had been an engulfing candle up, we'd be huge in the profit, but that's just how it goes sometimes. And it come all the way back up to my position and is trying to push up. We are not in profit anymore. We're pretty much break even at the moment. Minus $24, 2 points, 2 points, and it's just going back and forth there. So I just wanted to show you guys that. I'm trying to make $8,000. All right, so that is my goal. Okay, next. Sure, she won't believe. Okay. Next day. Okay. First reaction of the market is down. So we take 100 points stop and a 200 point take profits in the direction of the first 1 minute candle. Crazy idea. Right, things you might have never thought of. And I'm not trading this right now. I am backtesting it to see if this has any chance of being profitable. It is profitable for June. It yields about 400 points in June, and then in May it yields 1,000 points in May. But in April we are kind of teetering here. We got 8 losses in a row. So that is one problem. 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're actually in profit for April, barely, by 200 points. If you can execute your trades perfectly. That's one thing you have to keep in mind. You have to execute your trades perfectly for this to work. And you would be it would be a 1 minute chart that you're trying to get in on. Okay, candles closing. I don't like where this is going. This isn't really good. Alright, whatever. Okay, I'm just following my strategy. That's all I'm doing. Oh, I forgot to take my position. It's supposed to be a long position here. Okay, now. Okay. 200 points. Don't like that first candle there. Okay. Just completely engulfs it. Probably gonna hit our stop loss here. Oh! Wow, we escaped with our lives. Maybe. Might go ahead and come down and do it. You never know what's gonna happen. Ooh. That's not good. And, man, just messing with our emotions all for the first hour. Almost hits our profit, but it ends up hitting our stop loss. So it did predict the correct direction, but it just did not quite go as far as we needed that day. So we're going to put an X. Alright, we're going to go ahead and go to 9:30. Alright, 1 more minute. It's a red candle, so we will go shorts. Okay. And we take profits. Okay. How many more days? 1 more day. Last day. This is going to be an important day. Okay. Okay, 9:30. Oops, what day? Okay, it was that minute right there. This could be good. I like that first candle. Alright. Maybe. You never know. Let's have a big tell. Okay. Oh, big candle. Oh, that was a false breakout. It wants to break out. It's bad. Yeah. That's going to be a loss. Okay. Let's see how April looks. Alright, so we have, let's see. I can just bring this up bigger for you guys. And so I can see it as well. Okay. Actually, okay, we have one. How many losses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 losses. 12 losses. How many wins? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 wins. 7 wins. So that's 14 to 12. So it'll be 140. Wait. 7 wins. Oh. 1,400? 1,400 because it's 200 per win. 1,400 minus 1,200 equals 200. 200 profits there, okay? So that would be if you executed your trades perfectly and you had very low fees. We have, how many, let's see, 19 trades, so it would be, you would lose a point per trade. Or how, how much ever your spread is. Could be exiting this position and going to a long position. Alright, on this next candle. Alright, so April, 200 points profit, maybe, if you do it perfectly. But that May looks really good because it had 10 wins, 10 losses, 50-50 shot. June looked even better, 9 wins, 14 losses than April. So it's just 400 points, worth it. But if you're doing 10 points, $10 a point, that would be $4,000 in June. In April, or in May, it would be $10,000. Yeah, in May, it would be $10,000. In April, it would be $2,000 minus whatever your fees are and any mistakes you might have accidentally made. So you got to be very careful not to make any mistakes. Alright, so hopefully if you do make a mistake, it goes in your favor. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and stop there, and I'll show you my position real quick before I go. Alright, so I took the position, well, can you not see that? You can't see my mouse. How can I make you see my mouse? I got this. Okay, so here, I got in here, and this engulfing candle went all the way down, did not get an engulfing candle on the way up, so I ended up just letting it go because that's my strategy. And now we are here. Hopefully we're just looking at going ahead and continuing our consolidation down. If this candle engulfs, then I will be exiting on it. Hopefully it will not go, engulf all the way to my stop loss, or will be negative in the account. I'm up $700 in my account. I almost passed the challenge, and I was up $7,000 3 days ago, 2 days ago, but I've had some losses since then. So, but that's just kind of how it goes. Yeah. So really hoping that this will go ahead and just continue consolidation, and go ahead and go down. But I will be exiting within the hour, an hour and 20 minutes. So, okay, all right. Thank you for tuning in. If anybody watched this, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found my content enjoyable. Like, subscribe. And I will be able to stream every day because I know that people actually want to see this content. I bring unorthodox ideas to the trading game. Like I'm testing the strategy to see if the first 1 minute candle will yield profits for me. Tell me which way the market wants to go that day. So it looks okay. It looks like I could make money with it, but it's it could definitely be improved for sure. We're going to go ahead and test it in the other days, see other months, and see how it fared in those months. Because I need to see more data. This is just not convincing enough for me. Yeah, so we are barely in profit, 2 points. Maybe we'll go ahead and reject off here. I should have just traded consolidation all day, and it would have been an excellent day if I just traded in consolidation all day. That's okay. I'm just following my strategy. So. Okay, thank you. Stop recording.